Alright, today we are in West Virginia. Yep, my travels have brought us all the way out here. Me and my buddy Dan are going to visit the highest point in the state of West Virginia, 4,863 foot Spruce Knob. You could take a 900 foot little tourist trail to the top, but we're going to take a half-mile gravel trail around, up and around, get a little bit of walking in. Feel like I earned it a little bit. But again, I think I earned it, even if I did drive most of the way up here, because quite frankly, it was an adventure just getting here. The roads we had to take were steep, windy, going up like 3-4 mountain passes just to get here. Nice place though, glad I came. We're going to try and do Maryland and Pennsylvania's high points after this, so yeah, we're basically making a blitz up the Mid-Atlantic. So we're going to make our way along this path, and I'll meet you if I see something interesting. Some stone benches right there. And yeah, this trail is well graded for the general public. Looks like it could even be wheelchair accessible, to be honest. Some nice spruce woods up here, hence the name of the mountain. More reminiscent of like New England, where I'm from, than West Virginia. We also did Mount Mitchell yesterday, but I've already hiked it, so it doesn't really count for anything except a repeat ascent. So technically we are going to do 5 high points on this trip. We did Mount Mitchell, we're about to do Spruce Knob, West Virginia. There's a path over to the tower, we'll skip that for now. And we got a viewpoint out here. Oh yeah, and tomorrow on the way back to New Hampshire we're going to do the Delaware high point. So if all goes well, I should get propped up to 18 out of 50 on the US state high points list. And hello, this ain't a bad view. Take some pictures from here and meet you further along. Okay, here's something real nice. This is a nice view. Don't know how the view at the summit tower will be. Probably similar to this. You can really feel the force of the wind. Not like at the tower though. Nice. Anyway, I'll take some pictures from here and meet you further along. Alright, welcome to the highest point in West Virginia, 4,863 foot Spruce Knob. The actual summit's around here, but the views to be had are from the top of that tower. The little path goes to the Whispering trail. Whispering Spruce Trail, sorry. What do you say?
So this is where they did their sacrifice of fires.
Right. Right. Alright, we're gonna climb this thing. And like I said, this is my 15th US state high point. Next up will be Maryland and hopefully Pennsylvania. 16, 17, and then Delaware for 18 tomorrow. Okay, the views have grown up a little bit from our last ride. Can't really see anything out that way. They get views out that way. Whatever, I'll take them. So we drove up the public roads 112 and 104 here to the parking lot. And then we walked the Whispering Spruce Trail a half mile here. Then we're going to walk about a 10th of a mile back down. Yeah, it is pretty cold. Alright, I'll take a few pictures from here. Next adventure. Alright, just thought I'd throw a few add-ons into the video. This is the trail that leads about 900 feet, a little more than a tenth of a mile, to the summit of Spruce Knob. And parking lots are just around there. I'll show you that parking lot too, and I'll meet you when you get there. Alright, so we're back at the parking area. Pretty short walk, hike, whatever tickles your fancy. But a great thing to do if you're ever in the area. And it's actually a pretty attractive state high point too. So, from Dan the Man and myself, we're going to head to Maryland next to tackle that state's high point, Point Crest. Follow along, I'll meet you at the start of that hike. If not, I'll